Hi, my beautiful people. Hope you guys are good today. Today, I'm going to be sharing this yummy and easy akara. We're going to be needing beans already washed and clean. You peel the skin off, and I'm using black eye beans. You can as well use brown beans. Using onions, pepper, salt, and one stock cube. Don't need too much ingredients for your akara. Going to be needing oil to deep fry and blender. That is it. So now we're going to start by blending our beans, and with akara you don't have to blend your beans too light. Just add very little water to blend. That's the first batch. I'm blending it in two batches. And this is the second batch, so I'm just going to pour in my salt and my stock cube to blend it all together. And that is it. And this is the onions and the pepper I'm going to be using. You can use your knife to slice it, but I'm going to be using this blender to grate it. I'm not grinding it smooth, not blending it smooth, sorry. I'm just going to grate it because it's for children, so they don't like seeing pepper and onions in their akara when they are eating it. So this is the blended beans, so I'm just going to beat it, and I'm using whisker to whisk it. You can use your stick, that's the eba stick, to beat it, but I decide to use my whisk to whisk it. It's easier. I just want to do very quick akara. So that's my grated pepper and onions. Just going to pour it all in, mix it together. And at this point, my oil is busy as well. See, now we're going to fry our akara. Akara is very easy, and I hope I make this as easy as possible for you guys. And you let both sides get brown before you bring them out. If you want it very dark, very brown, it's also okay. Depends on how dry you want your akara. So that's it. And thank you guys for joining me. If you've not liked my page, please help me build my page, and I'm going to appreciate that. Thank you so much for all the share of my video. I really appreciate you guys. All the like. Mwah. Love you all. Thank you. This akara came out so yummy. My children really loved it. Thank you. Bye.